Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Apple unveiled a dramatically redesigned iPad Pro in May 2024, establishing a new benchmark in tablet form factors. The device boasts an unprecedentedly slim profile, measuring a mere 5.3 mm for the 11-inch model and a slender 5.1 mm for the 13-inch variant, solidifying its position as Apple's thinnest product to date. The most striking innovation is undoubtedly the incorporation of a breathtaking OLED display. This marks a significant departure from previous iPad models, delivering a visual experience unparalleled in the tablet landscape. The OLED technology results in vibrant, true-to-life colors with exceptional contrast and deep blacks. Furthermore, the display supports a smooth 120 Hz per motion refresh rate, ensuring fluid animations and a remarkably responsive user experience. While the camera system underwent a simplification with a single wide lens, the front-facing camera incorporates Apple's innovative center stage technology, intelligently adjusting the frame to keep the user centered during video calls. However, the true essence of the iPad Pro lies within its powerful core, the M2 chip. Apple introduced two distinct M2 chip configurations for the iPad Pro. The standard variant features 8 CPU cores, comprising 3 performance cores and 5 efficiency cores, delivering a potent blend of raw power and energy efficiency. For demanding users, a more powerful configuration is available, boasting 10 CPU cores, 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, offering even greater processing prowess. Both configurations are paired with a substantial GPU core count, with the top-tier model featuring up to 10 GPU cores, ensuring unparalleled graphics performance for demanding tasks such as video editing and gaming. RAM configurations are intelligently tiered based on storage capacity. The 256GB and 512GB models are equipped with 8GB of RAM, while the 1TB and 2TB configurations benefit from 16GB of RAM, providing ample memory bandwidth for multitasking and demanding applications. This refined iPad Pro represents a significant leap forward, showcasing Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile computing. With its stunning OLED display, powerful M2 chip, and ultra-slim design, the iPad Pro solidifies its position as a premium tablet, catering to the needs of both creative professionals and demanding users alike. The new Magic Keyboard with function keys complements the iPad Pro, though many users yearn for a more robust operating system, perhaps even Mac OS. What to expect from the next iPad Pro? Given the recent major redesign, we can anticipate that the next iPad Pro will retain its sleek form factor, OLED display, and camera system. The most significant upgrade will likely be the inclusion of the M3 chip, Apple's next-generation system-on-a-chip. While the exact core configurations remain uncertain, we can expect a performance boost, potentially with an increase in GPU cores. RAM capacities are also likely to increase. The current iPad Pro's 8GB base RAM may be replaced with 16GB as standard, with higher-end models potentially offering 24GB or even 32GB. Storage options might also receive a bump, possibly starting at 512GB to align with other Pro-level devices. Other potential upgrades include the integration of Wi-Fi 7 for faster wireless connectivity and the inclusion of Apple's latest cellular modem for improved 5G performance. Release timeline and pricing. The next iPad Pro is expected to launch sometime between October and November 2025. This time frame aligns with the anticipated release of the M3 chip and allows for a reasonable product cycle following the current iPad Pro's launch. Pricing is likely to remain consistent with the current model, with the 11-inch starting at $999 and the 13-inch at $1,299. iPadOS and future outlook. Despite impressive advancements in iPad hardware, its operating system, iPadOS, presents a significant bottleneck for many users. The current system, while functional, often feels limited compared to the capabilities of the device. A key area of demand is for a more robust and versatile operating system. This could involve macOS-like functionalities, implementing features such as full window management, advanced multitasking, and a more robust file system would unlock greater productivity potential. Desktop app compatibility. Allowing users to run full-fledged desktop applications seamlessly would significantly expand the iPad's capabilities, particularly for creative professionals and power users. These enhancements would empower users to leverage the iPad's impressive hardware to its fullest extent and solidify its position as a truly powerful and versatile computing device. Conclusion. The next iPad Pro promises to be another powerful and innovative device, building upon the strong foundation of its predecessor. With the M3 chip, increased RAM, and potential enhancements in connectivity, it will undoubtedly remain a top choice for professionals and creative users. However, the true potential of the iPad Pro will be realized when paired with a more robust and versatile operating system.